Hi guys, I'm about to short Euro US dollar pair. Now as you can see, it's saying that within 2 hours 46 minutes it will expire, and if it stays above 1.1860 then you make money. Now I am selecting market order and I have selected sell. So it shows me that at 69.75 my order will be placed, and it means that if it stays below 1.186 then I get to keep $69.75, and if it doesn't then I get to keep $40.25. And here I have placed the trade. Order received. Okay, now let me show you why I have selected this. Let me put horizontal lines. One line. Now if you look at it, it's a 30-minute chart. Each candle is based on 30 minutes. Now as you can see, I'm placing these lines on the highest points. See? And on the lowest point as well, right here. Now just 3 lines. If you look at it by zooming in, it will show you that this high line is the extreme high. It touched here 1 time, 2 times. These 2 highs have also touched it, let's say 3 times. This high 4 times. This is the extended high. If we move out, the price is stuck in between these 2 lines. If I pick this high line, then it says that the price is stuck in between these 2 lines, because in the nearest term this below blue line is been touched by many 30 minutes candle. Lot of 30 minutes candle. Even here. And if I zoom it further, then it says that 1.1869 is a major level. And if it falls below, it can go to 1.1855. Now as it is not going above, and if you look at it, the trend is not going up. The trend is lower. From this high, if I turn to this high, again it's lower. So it gives me a higher edge. So that's why I have traded it, because I believe it will go lower and will reach here. Now if you look at the price, it's a 3-hour like trade. Here is the time left. See? So it shows you that within 3 hours it will reach that point or not. And that's how you will learn. If it does, you will be paid. If it doesn't, you will book a loss. That's what the trade is. Now let's see what happens in 3 hours. Thank you. Hi guys, we are squaring our Euro US dollar trade, which is at $564 in profit. And if I turn to the 15-minute chart, it is fallen too much. So it tells me that there is a danger that it will come back. And the other point is, we are already making approximately $600 in profit. So why risk it? Therefore, we are trading the trade. And as we have shorted 10 contracts, so we will be buying. Wait a minute. Yeah, we will be buying 10 contracts and placing the order. And here it goes. And boom, it's gone. The profit is in our account value. As simple as that. Thank you.